we must pay homage to him.
We gotta call Brad, dude, right now.
Oi, Brad!
Oi, Brad! Are you calling him?
I'll call Brad.
You think he's up? What's the time change? Is it like 12 hours ahead?
10 hours ago, he sent me a Snapchat, so.
Oh, he's up.
Wow, some friend Brad is, eh?
He'll probably call back. Ben, you wanna let people know what's going on?
This is the engine for my Sylvia. I was driving home and then it made like a weird sound, and then I came home and my turbo was like off the manifold. So like, oh, I'll just fix that. And then it came off, and then I was like, well, I might as well refresh the engine. So we took the engine out, and then yeah. So now we got to take it all apart and then send the head to the machine shop.
So you're doing
Some head?
all new gaskets, metal head gasket, head studs.
Yeah.
You got new turbo lines.
Yeah.
What else are you doing?
Well, now Brad's not coming through.
Maybe he's just on his way.
On the
Maybe he's
airplane?
just coming.
He's like, I'm on my way. You know what you smell like?
What?
Cheetos that have been eaten and then vomited up.
What are you doing, bro? I'm gonna remove as many items as possible, I suppose.
What if I drop it into your handgun?
Bro, you spilled. Whoa, that tower.
Do cams not have to come out to pull the head? I guess they don't, but to go to the machine shop they do.
Yes. You should put a CA in your S14. Has that ever been done before?
Did some of the Sylvia S14s come with CA, or is that too new?
I think it's too new. Could be cool.
It's pretty much a 4-cylinder RB.
Really?
Yeah, it's literally the same shit.
How much do they sell for?
People think they're shit, but they're actually kind of cool.
Would my turbo be falling off?
That happens on every bottom mount if you don't use those.
I think we're gonna take the intake off first, and then take all the front flight timing stuff off, and then take the head off.
Bro, you need to chill, bro.
Sounds good.
Pro skill.
Okay, no one supported Colby.
No, do it.
You still owe Noah so much money.
Then you kind of forgot about it.
No, he didn't. He talks to me about it every day. Just getting Noah forgetting about money?
Yeah, no, this was a
That's like a dog forgetting about his dinner, man. There's no way. That's like Nismo forgetting about his dinner. There's no way.
Do you want this too, right, Ben?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah. Got it.
Oh.
Spend
Money
money.
you don't know?
What?
Colby's like, I think Noah forgot about the money I owe you. Me and Ben are like, there's no way.
No, there's no fucking way.
I think about it every day.
He wakes up and he's like, damn it.
Just think of receiving
The
it.
amount of... Just think of how much more money I would have if Colby paid me back.
I probably would have had so much money if I didn't own half your FC for a year.
Did you?
What do you mean? Yeah?
The FC?
I owned half your FC for a year.
Bank of Adam.
Wait, was that like $1,000 when I bought it?
Yeah. I own like half your car.
And then you
I own
got-
the wheels on your car. I own like everything.
My whole car was fucking
Yeah.
leased from Adam.
Fucking ridiculous. Ah, Jacob editing.
Explain what Dalton did?
I don't. It pisses me off. No, I can.
I don't want to do it either. Okay, there was a full set on auction of mesh.
Nice size.
They were like 8 negative something and 9 negative 30. And Daltmont didn't have enough money. So Adam opened the bank doors, had the loan ready to go.
As I have to do for every fucking one. Except Ben.
Ben just gets loans from the banks.
And then Adam was at the desk. The bank was open. It was 10:30
You already know I'm out there trading crypto.
on a
Ready to
weeknight.
go.
The bank was open past hours because normally that shit closes at like 8. 10:30. Adam gets the teller to send out the message
Last
to
call.
Daltman. Last call for money. Daltman doesn't answer. Bank shuts its doors, locks the vault. Banker goes to bed. 2 o'clock in the morning. Adam's phone starts going crazy. Bank's closed. Doesn't answer. 10 FaceTime calls later. Bank's still closed. All three of us wake up. Daltman's texted us, "You up?" at 2 o'clock in the morning.
You really hit us with the "you up."
They sold for $1,500, which is a crazy deal.
Yeah, and they were like pretty new.
They were like, yeah, they were really good condition.
That's also 1,500 Canadian too.
Yeah.
So it's like $2 US.
Probably 3, but yeah. That's why we're not talking to Dalton anymore.
Yeah, we sold this car for him.
Yeah, I'm not giving him his taillights back.
This is kind of spooky.
Remember when me and Nelson used a spoon to take off his crank pulley?
Did you actually?
Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah. I mean, it fucked the crank pulley. Like, it was all the chips out of it, but it was good as a Fram, but it was fun. Fram or nothing. If I'm not having a Fram, I'm bolting up a clam.
Spam.
They do filter, so.
Whoa.
What is that?
I wonder if I like lost some compressions because there was like a piece of goo in there.
Fucking busting, bro.
I think you can tell that the plug was this way because like I wonder if it's all clean there because fuel was hitting that side and not that side.
Have you seen Extraction
It
on
smells
Netflix?
really good.
Was it?
Yeah.
Let me get away.
Ben, have you seen Extraction on Netflix?
No,
Good. They all look the same.
this one's kind of wet.
Did you hear that? That was such a crunchy bowl.
Is it your back?
How many idiots does it take to take apart a CA, bro?
More idiots than we have here, probably. Look at all that shit that's falling. I guess the head's coming off.
That was the funniest screenshot.
I can have them. Where did it stink? Like, I
What
like
was it?
I like a wrap with like sauce on it.
Ooh.
That's still kind of tight. He pulls out like a tube of skin.
Ooh.
And then the stud goes in. It's disgusting.
Is it still connected?
That sounds awesome.
It feels like. Ben, come on, then.
Where you want this?
I just throw it on the ground. Yeah, it's fine.
Trash it.
Yeah.
What a wonderful phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It means no worries.
Is it out now?
I'm surprised you weren't cast for the live action.
Yeah, okay, it's out.
Yeah, as the fucking lemur or whatever.
These are just kind of threaded in still.
Fucking lemur.
3 guys, 1 can.
Ooh.
Cool.
Yeah, real trap shit.
I never say, so it's always a surprise.
It's a surprise for you too. You're like, wait, it happened.
Boston.
That shit's busting.
sorry.
Bro.
I made contact.
How did those threads stink like mine did?
Oh, they really stink.
Can you smell?
Ooh, yeah, it actually smells like poop.
That smells worse.
Oh,
Dude, the ones that came out of the SR smell like an out of.
Oh.
This is way less scary when it's not your own.
I don't really care about if you fuck something up.
Yeah, like if it's fucked, it's kind of like.
Now you know what I'm saying with not my car. Not my CA.
Like Iron Man, bro. Put it in the middle of the chest.
Dude, I think I'm gonna take the bricks out and just mount 2 of these instead.
Frozone?
Honey, where is my suit? That was a
That's
terrible.
horrible.
I haven't seen it in a long time.
That's your excuse.
Watch where the fucking camera's pointed.
I'm watching, bro.
Gonna get fired again.
Oh, wait, that one was.
Who you gonna hire?
Are these still threaded in?
What?
Who's he gonna hire?
Where did this one back in a little?
What the hell?
None your damn business. Yeah. Oh, you got that.
Oh.
Are those aftermarket pistons?
Why is there so many like shits in here? I don't think that's like the OEM finish on them. It's like
They might be, man.
Ooh. How exciting would that be?
I think they are because like look at the finish here.
Look up
There's
forged
no-
pistons for a CA, see what they look like.
There's also no, like the stock ones have numbers and stuff on them.
Oh look, you got good cross hatching on the cylinder walls.
Nice.
Pull the gasket out.
Lovely.
Is there a little detonation there?
It's on the ceiling.
Wow.
Good gasket.
Oh, you're dripping, bro.
too well.
Looks fine, man. Look at that, so cinematic.
Alright, so the head is off. We're pretty sure it has forged pistons. It has like, you can see like lines on it. Yeah. If anyone knows,
Ask Brad, he'll know.
Brad Jeweler.
Wait, I'll send a picture to Mate and Brad.
What's next, Ben? Metal head gasket, head studs.
Yeah, wait for my head gasket to come in. Head studs. Send the head to the machine shop. Paint the block.
What color?
I can just do black.
Cool, man.
What does it taste like?
Sassafras.
What'd you have for breakfast?
Sassafras.
Cheers. Okay, comment below if you drink the milk after you eat the cereal.
Obviously, why would you not?
I
Because
think-
Ben doesn't, because he's a psycho.
I don't want
That's
the
such a waste.
sugary.
I just keep on filling it until the milk's gone.
What?
Lately, I've been trying this one. You guys are gonna judge me probably. Nature Valley, and they
Oh,
have
like the Harvest Crunch?
yes,
Yeah, Harvest Crunch is
it's-
fucking
it's
sick.
Quaker Harvest
vanilla
Crunch.
crunch.
It's good.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
Nice
Those-
hearty
good.
breakfast.
It's also good with yogurt.
A little Oikos.
Like Greek yogurt?
yeah.
Are you a Greek
Vanilla,
yogurt guy?
vanilla Greek yogurt?
Yeah, it's the best.
My dad bought this Greek yogurt. It was dummy thick. Like, it was the fucking thickness of creme fraiche.
Thicker the better, bro.
No, but this was...
when you put the spoon in it.
Yeah, but... Wait, comment below the disrespect of Noah drinking... There's 3 bubblies left. Noah drinks 2 of them. What are we gonna do, Colby? We're gonna fucking starve? What is this, WW2?
The rations probably up. Go get some
If it's WW2, bro, you're making it through. I'm not.
Yeah, me and Ben are good.
Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna get all like my engine brackets and my valve covers powder coated, and then I'm gonna throw in the hardwares.
What color are you doing with the valve?
I'm gonna do wrinkle black, I think, or wrinkle blue. You can do wrinkle blue.
There's wrinkle blue?
You can get anything wrinkled, bro.
You can wrinkle green. Dude, wrinkle green looks cool.
In your car, wrinkled blue would look better in your car.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
The boys